Teaching English just got smarter. In this video, we'll explore how AI tools can transform your ESL classroom and make lessons more engaging, effective, and personalized. Let's start with Grammarly, a fantastic tool for grammar correction. With Grammarly, you can upload student essays to quickly identify grammar mistakes, awkward phrasing, or even style issues. Use this in the classroom by projecting the corrected text onto the screen to teach students why certain changes are needed. Better yet, have your students type their work directly into Grammarly during writing activities, allowing them to receive instant feedback and learn as they write. It's a time saver and an excellent teaching tool. Next, let's look at ELSA Speak, an app designed to improve pronunciation. ELSA works by analyzing your students' speech and highlighting specific sounds they need to improve. For example, if your lesson focuses on vowel sounds, you can assign targeted exercises through ELSA. Use it as a warm-up activity in class or recommend it for independent practice. Over time, students can track their progress and feel more confident in their speaking abilities. For real-world conversation practice, there's ChatGPT. This AI is perfect for simulating everyday conversations. For example, you can set up scenarios like booking a hotel room, discussing travel plans, or asking for directions. Students type or speak to ChatGPT, receiving instant responses that mimic real-life interactions. It's a great way to build fluency, especially for students who are shy about speaking in front of others. As a teacher, you can even use ChatGPT to create discussion prompts or example dialogues tailored to your lesson objectives. Quizlet is another game changer for teaching vocabulary and grammar. You can create custom flashcards for new vocabulary or grammar rules and share them with your class. One exciting feature is Quizlet Live, which turns review sessions into a fun and competitive team game. It's a great way to get everyone involved and reinforce learning. Plus, students can use Quizlet's self-paced study modes, like matching games or practice tests, to review material at home. Finally, let's talk about Jasper AI, a powerful tool for improving writing skills. Jasper can help students brainstorm ideas for essays, create outlines, and even suggest sentence starters. For example, if your students are struggling to start an essay on the importance of learning English, Jasper can provide a structure they can build on. Use it in class to demonstrate how to organize ideas, or assign it as a tool for homework to help students overcome writer's block. Pro tip: while these tools are incredibly helpful, remind your students that AI should be a supplement, not a substitute, for genuine practice. Encourage them to critically evaluate AI-generated feedback and use it to guide their learning, not replace their own efforts. Want to learn more? Comment 12 below, and we'll send you a free lesson plan on using AI in teaching English. Check out our YouTube channel for free ESL resources. Don't forget to like this video and follow us for detailed guides on using AI in the classroom and other practical teaching tips.